We're here in Westport, about to take down a Norway maple that is structurally not good. Mushrooms are growing in the center. The tree is very large. Well, large. A lot of branches have already broken off throughout the years, and customers are afraid that it's going to fall and hit either the neighbor's garage, a couple ornamental trees, and her deck. So we have a septic tank about 15 feet away from this, so we got to work all on the left side. We're putting down alternative mats. Okay, truck is set up. Guys are putting the GRS on the tree now. And put my helmet on, we'll get to work. Heads up. Nice job. Nice job. So here I am back on the ground. Job went great. Still gotta just back in the chipper, chip the rest of the brush, get this wood out of here, and job's all good. What do you guys think?
Came out really well.
Yeah. Okay, start chipping this brush, get this place cleaned up. Again, we use the alternative mats, no lawn damage. Okay, we're just finishing up. Guys are putting all the equipment away. Here's a picture of the area. All of our equipment was coming in. You can see all the alternative mats work awesome. No damage to the property. Tree's gone. Stump will be getting ground out eventually. That's it. Job well done.